Hi guys, thanks for watching my latest, hopefully brief video. Now, for those of you who watched a video I did a few days ago, you'll know that I replaced the stock mirrors with these long stem mirrors to try and improve the visibility, the rear visibility. Now, there's positives and negatives to these. The positives are the rear visibility is fantastic because you can hardly see any of my shoulder at all. The negative is vibration. If you're going over bumpy roads, and let's face it, most of the roads in Edinburgh are pretty bumpy, there's a lot of vibration. So I haven't quite made my mind up to ditch them completely yet, but first of all, I'm going to try something else, and that is adding mirror extenders to the stock mirrors, and just see what that's going to look like and how that works tomorrow. So I'm just going to take these off again now. And as I said before, you know, if it doesn't work, I'll just put these back on eBay and sell them to somebody who can use them. So I'll just get on, bolt them as I did before with the spanner, and then we're going to put on the mirror extenders. I'm not sure how much we're going to get the extender over, because obviously we've got this bit here and again over here, although that's the switch for the Bluetooth, which I don't have, so there's no particular problem if I can't get to that. Okay, so we're going to take these off and see how it looks with the mirror extenders on. Okay, so that's the mirror extenders on, nice and easy. Again, these are Yamaha mirror extenders with the reverse screw. You've got to make sure you get those for this bike. So there we go. Now, obviously, until I'm on the road tomorrow, I can't tell for certain, but sitting on the bike just now, it looks like I'm getting a decent view. How do they look from the front? Well, not too bad. So there we go, original mirrors back on with extenders. So let's see how these work. We certainly should get a lot less vibration. It's just a question of how good visibility we get. And as you can see, the way the bike has these little sort of pegs anyway that goes into, so you're not going anywhere near the controls of that, which is fine. So there we go. Yet another attempt to get mirrors that I'm happy with. Okay guys, I'll report back on how this goes. Thanks as always for watching. All the best now.